Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Let's see what we can do with this cream cheese. And it's been quite some 3 or 4 days, so it becomes, the texture is very firm, not as firm as Emondal, not as firm as Emondal, Gruyere, Conte, or Manchego. No, or Parmigiano, but they are quite, you can see, each has its own texture. So I want to cook some, I want to make some salad. And this salad is free. I bought a salad from this packaged salad with roots, finished the salad, and I put the root into my backyard, and it becomes another salad. So some free salad with cucumber, and I made some cookies, so I have egg white left, so I just scrambled some egg white to put more texture and different mouth feel. So that's about it. What you can do, you can put pieces of, oh, look at this salad. I didn't break it up so well. We can put pieces of this cream cheese. I just do not want to use a new spoon, so I have this. Look at it, small teeny tiny pieces. So this is a way of eating the cream cheese. There is another way to eat it. Just toast some bread and use it as a cream cheese dipping or spread. And that is it. One piece coming out, and maybe we can get final dash some pepper. Bon appetito. It is very, very creamy. Very, very, very creamy.